Let me show you how to do an easy, long-lasting, classic manicure in just a few steps using the green system from Manicurist. I already prepped my nails. I removed the old polish and shaped them nicely. The first step is to degrease your nails using the nail prep on a cotton pad. This removes any traces of cream, oil or dirt, leaving your nails perfectly clean. Next, apply the base coat. This protects your nails and helps your manicure last longer. Apply a thin layer and remember to cap the free edges of each nail. The best part? This system doesn't need a lamp, so it's super practical and easy to use. Now it's time for color. I chose this beautiful summer shade called Lime, perfect for a vacation look. Apply 2 thin coats of color. I like to work on both hands at the same time. First coat on both hands, then the second coat. I do it for the base color and the top coat because the brand recommends waiting 1-2 minutes between layers, so this method saves time. After the color, apply the top coat in a thin layer and cap the edges. The top coat gives you ultra long wear and a beautiful shine. The final step is to apply drying drops on each nail. These make your manicure dry twice as fast and are enriched with ceramides to nourish your nails and cuticles. After the drops, wait 5 minutes for your manicure to fully dry. While I'm waiting, I use my nail polish corrector pen to clean the edges. Such a handy tool. Once dry, apply hand cream. I love this one from Manicurist. It's light, non-greasy, absorbs quickly, and leaves my hands soft and hydrated. And voila, my manicure is done. After about 7 days, or whenever you want to change the color, you can remove it easily with the green nail polish remover. I'm obsessed with this system because it gives a gel-like finish without a lump, air dries, lasts up to 7 days, and comes in stunning colors all year round. If you are planning to try the green system, don't forget to use my code Cristina Beauty for 15 off at Manicurist US and UK. Just keep in mind the code may change. Check the description box for the latest update. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye!